Today I am going to explain about order list. So now you will look here. It is done by our student. What is your name, student? Pratik Jaiswal and Sudhanshu both are made regarding order list. So title here given order list and a style type is here text CSS. Body background color here put it yellow. And H1 heading tag is here, H1 tags there blue, list color is red. Okay, style close. Under the body part he explained about first presidents of India, and he used order list, that means start with Roman number, and first Rajendra Prasad, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, this way all written and order list close. After that he saved this file with what is the file name? File name is here Presidents of India, and after that output now this is the output came here. So look, this is the output. Suppose that student, if you want to change something in this parts, just like in front of you, look, I am putting here one this side and one this side. Suppose here yellow color, I want to change here green. Okay, so he will write here green color. Okay, and again control plus S for save purpose. Okay, and then again he will go here and refresh. Looks, here is this is the refresh, otherwise you will press control plus R. So after refresh you will looks here background color here change in green. So here background color is here green written, that times yellow written, now it is in green. Now one more things he want to change. Here is H1 tags. Suppose here he want any other colors, just like red, green or yellow. Okay, so yellow we will write here. Okay, after that yellow we will control plus S press, and then again refresh. Looks, your president's first heading it will come in yellow. Okay, one more thing student, if you want to write president in bold way, okay, so you will use B tags for bold. What is the use of B? B for bold. Okay, and here you will close it, this slash, and then control plus S, and then you will press here it will bolts. Okay, same things you want in here all, just like our president name you want to change in bold way, italic way, then you will write I for italic, till where you want, till here I want. Okay, so you will write in this parts with slash I. Okay, and then press control plus S, and then you will refresh, then it will come in italic forms. All these are comes in italic form. So this is the way to use HTML. Thank you all of you.